Hi guys, welcome to Trish kitchen. Today I am going to share with you chole masalas recipe. This is one easy and yet lip smacking chole masalas recipe which tastes delicious. In this recipe, chole are boiled with tea powder to get dark in color. If you are not fussy about the dark color, then just plainly cook the chickpeas. Now let's see the ingredients. Soak the chole in enough water overnight. Turmeric, cumin, coriander powder, chili powder, chole masala, cinnamon, green cardamom, cloves, black cardamom. Ghee, salt, ginger julienne, red chili, cumin seeds, oil. 2 big onion paste, 2 small tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Boil water with tea leaves. You can use tea bags too. Strain the water and keep aside. In a pressure cooker, add the chole, tea water, salt and whole garam masala. If you are adding tea bags, just add water and tea bag. Then salt and whole garam masala. Cook the chole for 3 to 5 whistles. The chole should be soft when you mash it with a spoon. The chana should not give you a bite when you eat it. Take out the whole garam masala. Heat oil in a pan. Add ghee. Add cumin seeds and whole red chilies. Add ginger garlic paste. Fry it for 1 to 2 minutes. Add onion paste. Fry the masala nicely until the oil starts to leave the masala. This masala is well cooked now. We'll add the all dry masalas, turmeric powder, cumin coriander powder, chole masala, red chili powder. Mix it well. Add tomato paste now. Saute the masala until the water dries up and oil start leaving the masala. This masala is well cooked now. Add the chole. Mix well. Add warm water. Add ginger julienne. Cook the chole for 2 to 3 minutes more. Our chole masala is ready now. Switch off the flame and cover it with a lid for 2 to 4 minutes. Enjoy chole masala with rice, raita, salad, papad or with roti or puri. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.